students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 10 of exercise 6.2 of chapter 6 triangles for class 10 CBSE NCERT. Okay, so the question number 10 says the diagonals of quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO. Okay, show that ABCD is a trapezium. So we need to show that ABCD is a trapezium over here. So what we will be doing, first of all, we will be drawing the figure, how it looks. So let us draw a quadrilateral. Let us draw a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. And the quadrilateral ABCD is having the diagonals to be intersecting at O. Okay, it is having the diagonals, so let us draw the diagonals also, and the diagonals are intersecting at O. Okay, so the diagonals are intersecting at O. So we are given a condition that AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO. Okay, and we need to show that ABCD is a trapezium. So for this proof, we need to draw one construction, that drawing a line segment, let us mark it at as any point OP to be parallel to AB. So drawing a line segment to be parallel to AB. Okay, so let us write down in the construction. Draw OP segment such that OP is parallel to AB. Okay, now we can easily take this triangle ABC. Okay, this triangle ABC, I have marked over here. This is the triangle ABC. Okay, so we can easily take this triangle over here and we can apply the Thales theorem, because O and P are intersecting the other two sides of the triangle and OP is parallel to the one side of the triangle ABC. So the Thales theorem, or the basic proportionality theorem, theorem 6.1, is applicable over here, and from that theorem we will be getting OA upon OC is equals to BP upon PC. Okay, so let us write down these all steps. Taking triangle ABC. So here OP is parallel to AB, already assumed. Okay, so now what we will be doing, we will be applying the Thales theorem. So OA upon OC will be equal to PB upon PC, and write down the reason over here. Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem is applicable. Okay, so let us mark it to be as equation number 1. Okay, so now let us go ahead with the condition which is being given to us. So it is being given to us AO upon BO to be equal to CO upon DO. Okay, So from here, if we cross multiply it, so if we bring this CO downwards and this upwards, so from here we will be getting AO upon CO to be equal to BO upon DO. Okay. So let us mark it as to be equation number 2. Okay. So from equation 1 and 2 we can see that AO or OA you can write any of the way. OC or CO you can write any of the way. Okay. So we can say from here that OA upon OC is common. LHS is equal in both the equations. So RHS will also be equal. So let us write from 1 and 2. So from equation 1 and 2. So from equation 1 and 2 what we will be getting? OA upon OC to be equal to PB upon PC to be equal to BO upon DO. Okay, so let us see what we are getting. OA upon OC to be equal to PB upon PC. Also we are getting BO upon OD. BO upon OD. Okay, so now if we consider the triangle, so from here it is clear that OA upon OC is equals to PB upon PC when OP was parallel to AB. OP was parallel to AB. But if we consider the triangle BDC, so for the triangle BDC, the converse of basic proportionality theorem is applicable over here. So we can easily see, because we are getting the relationship OB upon OD to be equal to PB upon PC. Okay, OB upon OD to be equal to PB upon PC. That means OP is also parallel to DC also. So from these two, if we take these two, from these two we have already assumed that OP is parallel to AB. But with these two conditions which we are getting from equation 1 and 2, it is clear from the basic converse of basic proportionality theorem, theorem 6.2, that OP is parallel to DC. OP is parallel to DC. Okay, so from PB upon PC to be equal to BO upon DO, it is clear that OP is parallel to DC. In triangle, if we take the triangle BDC, okay, let us write down the reason also. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so it is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. So now we are having two results, that OP is parallel to AB and OP is also parallel to DC. Okay, so let us mark it as equation number 3 and let us mark it as equation number 4. So from 3 and 4 we can say that AB is parallel to DC. So we can say that it is a trapezium if one of the sides is parallel, one pair of opposite sides is parallel. Need not be necessary that the other two sides are not parallel or not, so the quadrilateral forms the trapezium. Okay, so from equation 3 and 4, so from equation 3 and 4, AB is parallel to DC. So in trapezium, one set of opposite sides of a quadrilateral are parallel. So we are getting the results, one set of opposite sides of the quadrilateral are parallel. Okay, because this is parallel to AB and this is parallel to DC. So naturally this and this AB is parallel to DC. Okay, so hence ABCD is a trapezium. Hence ABCD is a trapezium. Hence okay, hence proved. So we applied the theorems, Thales theorems, and the converse of basic proportionality theorem, that is the theorem 6.2. You can write over here, it is the theorem 6.2. It is the theorem 6.2. Okay. So thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.